StackG's latest and greatest. Today we got some massive updates. The article is out on BSE News. We're going to do that and also cover some price prediction and technical analysis at the end of the video. Welcome back, Moneybags Rico. Let's go ahead and get this one started. Welcome back, everybody. Make sure you guys are actually giving StackG a follow. You guys do not want to miss out on this one. The passive income for USDT rewards is just going to be epic and protecting you from the volatility of crypto, right? So we got at StackG Crypto. Make sure you guys give them a follow. Make sure the bell notification is lit like that. You guys will not miss out. If you're part of the community, I want you guys to come over here, smash the like button, smash the retweets. We only got 4 and 4. I'm doing my part. I know we got more in the community. And if you're new to the community, come over here and tap in with them. Watch the other videos that I've done on StackG to give you a little bit of details, further details. But what we're going to do as well, we're going to make sure that we come over to the BSE News. This is huge right here, okay? So at BSE News, make sure you guys give them a follow. Make sure that bell notification is lit. They have 889,000 followers. And I want you guys to come over here and tap in, smash the like button. Another thing that I'm asking the community to do, or those who are new to the channel or new to StackG, come over here and start to use our hashtags, because this is how eventually you get these hashtags to become popular. And then when anybody puts, G Money or STXG, these things will pop up and then will pop up. All right. So it's very important that we start to do that. In the beginning, it might seem like they're not actually working, but it takes a little bit. It takes a compound effect. Okay. So stick around to the end. We'll do some price predictions. We'll see what's going on the charts, but this is big right here. Okay. So big shout out to the team, moving things forward. This is very big marketing right here on BSE News, and big shout out to the guys at BSE News. You guys know I rock with them really hard. So we got StackG, a community driven crypto that rewards investors with USDT. Okay, so another thing I want you guys to do, I have been dropping videos, actually short form videos, because YouTube are pumping those out. And I did some called USDT rewards or whatnot like that. I want you guys as the community to go to those short videos and then leave some bullish comments about StackG, because those shorts are actually made from the original StackG video that I made. Okay, so let's get right into it. We got, with high rewards and limited supply, StackG offers investors a unique opportunity to learn or to earn passive income through a highly aggressive payout system, right? So introducing StackG. For those who don't know, let's check it out. We got introducing StackG Crypto. StackG Crypto has been founded and designed with the vision of being a community-driven and social crypto token created for the people by the people. The platform seeks to reward its committed investors who hold onto their tokens. As a 100% decentralized platform, StackG is committed to maintaining that decentralization nature, and meaning, which they're going to get into it in the article, but not trying to gas people up, making it seem like we're going to get on centralized exchanges. We're going to keep all that trading volume within our community. That's what we're going to do to make sure they get paid out the most. Okay, so the platform seeks to foster a community-driven approach that rewards its users in USDT through daily buys and sell volume. This is achieved through a mechanism whereby 4% of the buys and 6% of the sells is allocated to the 10% rewards offered to investors who hold on the community token STXG. I know you guys are happy because that volume is picking up, right? We got the team at StackG Crypto firmly believe in the immense potential of blockchain technology, so do I, and its ability to transform human interaction and the world at large. This is something that's very true. When I first got into crypto since 2017 and really going hard into it, we didn't have the telegrams. These things did exist, but there wasn't everybody kind of using it. Right now, look at Twitter. Twitter switched their bird to the Dogecoin emblem. These are things that are happening right before our eyes. And this is something that, the StackG team is completely correct. I'm also on that team. I'm an advisor with them. And I believe in not only the team, but also this community that's staying 10 toes down with the StackG token and this contract for sure, because long term it's going to really pay out to everybody. It's already starting to, okay? And this is absolutely correct. Where the interactions, because of blockchain technology, we're getting to know people. Sometimes I'm in a talk with somebody from Australia. I've been in talks with people from China, South America, you name it. And we're, getting to communicate with people. And this is taking down borders, okay? Why invest in StackG, right? We'll get the cliche out the way, not financial advice, but let's go ahead and jump right in. We got decentralized. StackG believes that a truly decentralized project should have no need for centralization. Hence, will never list its token on any centralized exchange. This ensures that all the volume remains 100% within the DeFi space, and all the holders benefit from the tokenomics embedded into the smart contract. Those tokenomics being the 10% reward system that they have. So one of the key benefits of investing in StackG, it's its 10% USDT rewards system, right? Which is distributed directly to holders' wallets. This reward This reward is triggered for every 100 tokens bought or sold, and is paid out for every 1,000 tokens traded based on the holder's position. So this is, I like how it's just being very transparent on how these tokenomics work. They even have a really nice breakdown to let you kind of figure out the mathematics behind what you can expect in USDT rewards, right? Next, we have passive income. And that's what I've been dropping these short form videos on, getting people in there because, like I said, YouTube algorithm wants some of these shorts out. So I've been pushing them out. And passive income is something that people are looking up because I'm noticing those videos getting a lot of views. So StackG aligning itself with this passive income ideology, which it is true, is really going to be what the trend is about right now. And the trend is your friend, not only on charts, but in everyday life. So passive income. StackG allows investors to earn daily passive income through its design aggressive payout system. Investors no longer need to worry about market fluctuations or calling the top, given they can hold StackG and earn daily based on trading volume. That is something that I talked about in the video when I first did the first video on StackG, because essentially, the crypto market it's always going to be volatile no matter what. So StackG paying you out in USDT, this is going to help you out in the sense that you can position yourself later on, right? You're getting paid in USDT. You're not creating selling pressure by getting reflective tokens when the tokenomics is RFI. You could be creating selling pressure by people who are bigger whales and get a lot more reflections. They keep pushing the price down. Right now, there's not going to be no selling pressure, right? There's just going to be trading volume going on, and also the opportunity to either load up on some more StackG or wait for a good position to open up on something and use that USDT and make your money work for you, okay? Next, we have a 1% max wallet. In addition to its high reward, StackG also offers strong protection for its investors. The project has implemented a 1% max wallet, which prevents any one investor or crypto whale from taking advantage of sales and dumping the charts. Anti-whale protocols are also in place to further protect investors. All right, that's something that's really important because you can manipulate things, and it's good to have that right in place. So we got limited supply, right? StackG values its investors by ensuring a limited supply of 1 million tokens minted. That's it. Unlike other projects with excessive number of zeros attached, StackG prioritizes the value of its token and the benefits it offers to its holders. Okay, StackG tokenomics. It's getting good. Okay, so let's check this out. We got the StackG token StackG is exclusively available on the Binance Smart Chain (BNB). So just keep that in mind. Its tokenomics are carefully designed with a 7% tax on purchase and a 9% tax on sales. Now, this is when the taxes are going to be at 9%, but they're not at, or 16%, I should say, but they're not at 16% right now. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Eventually, they will move to that, but right now, currently, they're sitting at 10. Okay, so tax on sales to ensure that token holders receive the highest possible rewards in USDT. So later on, they will push it to 16, so there'll be more USDT rewards going to those holders. Next, we have right here, the main objective of StackG's tokenomics is to ensure that holders receive stable and optimal USDT rewards. That is just going to help you out, and very openly inside the Telegram. And also, I'm going to have the link. Actually, let's get back to this in 1 second. I want you guys to tap in right here. This is going to be an AMA tomorrow, so make sure you guys do not miss out on this AMA where we're going to talk about the article and a lot more things. So you guys are not going to want to miss out on this. This is going to be on Bahala's channel and also the StackG channel. It should be playing on there as well, so keep that in mind. Next, let's get back to this right here, right? So the main objective, we got the transactions. Okay, we got the main objective of StackG tokenomics is to ensure that the holders receive the stable and optimal USDT rewards, right? Additionally, the liquidity pool is self-sustained through the taxes imposed on the transactions. The marketing campaign are fully funded through these taxes as well. The total supply of StackG token is limited to the 1 million that we talked about, and there is no mint function or burn mechanism in place. Instead, the key true value of StackG tokenomics lies in the volume generated from buying and selling activities rather than the spot price alone. Even as a day trader or anybody that's traded before, volume is king. The price of something, obviously it does matter to whatever certain extent, but when you're trading something, we're going to talk about day traders in a second, that's why I'm bringing this up, is what's really important is volume is king, okay? Because it's just the best way to trade, to be honest with you guys. You guys will see what's up. So we got the token contract, which I'll have all this down below for you guys. The treasury, 3% liquidity, 3% max wallet, the 1%, the 10% total rewards. Like I said, it's at 10. This is when it's set to 16 actually. So right now, these are the tokenomics that they're explaining that will happen in the future. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Make sure that bell notifications lit, like that you guys can stay up to date with everything going on with StackG and show some support to the channel, right? So this is something that I liked right here because this is being transparent. This is just showing people what's going on with StackG and breaking it down so people don't have to guess, which is very important, right? When you're learning crypto or trying to teach somebody crypto, it's good to have some kind of formula that's very easy to explain so they can use. So we got the holders' rewards are determined by multiplying the 24-hour trading volume by 10% in the holders' token position. 24-hour volume times 10%, holders' position equals USDT rewards. To determine their token percentage, the token holders can divide their token amount by 1 million StackG tokens. This innovative approach ensures that passive income for holders of the StackG token through a straightforward mathematical calculation. I like this a lot. Big shout out to either Valhalla or Mr. St. Pierre himself that came up with this, because this helps out with transparency and kind of gives people an idea what they can expect. So this is pretty epic if you ask me. We got this, and then we're going to get to these price predictions and technical analysis. But we can't just skim through a BSC News article. It just can't happen, man. You guys know I rock with them, and being with the StackG team and with the community, we gotta do our due diligence, and we're doing this together. So the StackG token is available for purchase on decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, BuySwap, Dodo, ApeSwap, and more. Additionally, the contract has been audited by Contract Wolf per the website. All right. StackG plans to increase its rewards from 10% to 16%, like I was telling you guys just a little bit ago. Its volume, once its volume has risen and the platform has become self-sustained. The platform also intends to eliminate the marketing tax and extend the benefits to all token holders indefinitely while renouncing the contract. StackG aims to leverage the natural symbiotic relationship between its token holders and day traders. This is where things get really interesting. That's why you can't skim through this, because there's some juicy stuff right here at the end that I see this to be. Being a day trader myself, this is true right here. This is going to be really nice. You're going to like this. So the incentivization of holders is expected to lead to a predictable bottom for day traders, making StackG a reliable haven for them. This predictability, sustained by incentivizing holders, is expected to drive volume created from day traders and generate perpetual USDT payouts. StackG hopes that the platform's performance will become widely recognized and that it will be seen as a day trader haven due to incentivizing structure. What they mean by this, and it's going to be true, it's just going to take some time as the volume continues to build up. We'll talk about it a little bit more deeper on the price prediction and technical analysis, but we'll be able to identify, as day traders, you'll be able to identify the support and resistance a lot easier, because those who are holding are incentivized to hold to get these rewards. Some people are going to want to, gap and gold this, which is nothing wrong with that, because trading volume is always going to pay out. But some people who don't want to do that, they're also incentivized by holding, because they're going to get paid out as well. And I think this is going to be something that's going to we're going to see come to fruition for sure. Overall, StackG Crypto offers a unique opportunity for investors seeking passive income and a community-driven approach to cryptocurrency. And unique, if you ask me, making it this haven for day traders. I think it's very unique that we're doing this. With its decentralized nature, limited supply, anti-whale protocols, and its aggressive payout system, the project aims to provide stable and optimal USDT rewards to its committed investors. Its tokenomics are carefully designed to ensure a self-sustaining liquidity pool and a fully funded marketing campaign. StackG is committed to the DeFi space, and its investors make it a promising project in the world of decentralized finance. Big shout out to BSC News. Big shout out to the team. This is epic right here. To learn more, I'll have all these links down below where you guys can tap in. But I for sure want you guys to come over here, leave a comment, leave some hashtags for sure. Let's get the word out there and let them know that we're active on this side. Even the ones that come from us, let's go ahead and make sure we like and retweet these as well. Now, let's get to these price predictions, technical analysis, right? We see we have a pullback. We're going to identify. This is exactly what a day trader is going to think, right? We're going to literally kind of, what was in that article at the end, that very juicy part, we're going to actually use that right now. And I'm going to let you guys know from the real mind of one, right? So this is what we got going on. Notice that we hit these supports right here. It's going to be really hard to get us to come down here. To be honest with you guys, this is going to be this area, the price being that 6 cents, 7.52, where what they were explaining inside that inside the article is where day traders are going to connect these dots and read in between the lines and say, I know where to place my buy, because we can see this happening right here, right? where we have the support, the resistance. So that's called range trading. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want me to do some videos on range trading. But essentially that's what's happening right there is the trades are going from this support line to that resistance line, from that support line to this resistance line. And basically, as day traders, this is something that you keep an eye on. Obviously, crypto's volatile, so we're going to have this wolatility. We're going to have times where we don't hold that support and we come back down to the downside. But those who do not want to figure that out and participate in the day trading, that's where those USDT rewards come in play, right? They come in play for everybody, but those who just are not wanting to participate in that type of trading can just sit on the side and just chill out and get those USDT rewards. Now, for those who are interested in day trading or looking as, doing some form of trading, see where we're at with, so we got the market cap sitting at a $73,000 market cap. When something's sitting at a market cap like that, that's a gem area right there. This is where things get real. When you see it go up to $1 million market cap, which it will do, this is crazy. This is low cap gem territory right here. Keep that in mind. Remember that I said that $73,000 market cap, that is a low cap gem and could potentially change some people's lives. Okay. We're sitting at a $3,000 trading volume. I did see it peak up to 9,000 and I assume this is going to go back up again. But let's go back into this really quick. Let's not get Moneybags Rico sidetracked, which I do sometimes, right? Because I'm in the moment. I'm vibing with you guys. So right now, this support system is going to be at this 6 cents mark. And then a trader would want to see a trading, range trading within here. Obviously, those who are diamond hand holding and just wanting those rewards. Another thing to note, check out the Rico squiggly line. Went pretty good. Just got to say that, right? Went pretty good. That's something that happens a lot. These designs happen. These patterns happen a lot. So we have this going up, coming back down. We see the support that it did right there, and we rocked back up. So we're going to identify the support right here as well, just so we have it locked in for the future, because history repeats itself over and over, and this is how you can tell the future. So right there. All right. So that's going to be that 14 cents mark, which makes sense because it's getting close to that 15 cents. So remember 10, 15, 20, those areas are always going to be psychological barriers. I got a short video on that as well. That's why we layer the time frames to kind of identify these psychological barriers. So for those who are wanting to trade StackG, those who are new to the channel, new to StackG, this is what they're talking about, where people are already holding. They want to be diamond hand holders, which, that's something really good. A great project, great team behind it, and something that's for the people. Those who potentially just want to trade StackG, this is going to be that area. This is where we're at. We're going to put that green arrow that Rico loves to bring out. Let's go ahead and yes, we're talking in third person. We got it right here. Boom. So that's going to be that 6 cents mark, give or take right there. I don't see it going underneath that right there. We can see in the past that this was a range. Obviously peeled back here, but more and more people are coming into StackG, more and more holders. This is where that price floor continues to grow, and eventually will continue to range trade. It's the same thing, but that's why also in the article I talked about the actual price not mattering, because eventually when we find support up here in this range, we know that we can play the same game that we're about to play in just a bit. When it touches right here, we're going to pay attention, and what we're going to do to see if it's going to continue to work its way that way, we're going to layer the time frames like we always talk about. And I'm going to do something. We're going to bring my screen to the middle, so when I do some shorts on StackG, they can see me talking right there. All right, so thank you guys for rocking with me. I appreciate it. Share the video, smash the like button. You guys know the deal. I'm seeing the bell notification analytics going up as well. So if that's one of you guys or ladies out there that are making sure the bell notification is lit, I really appreciate it, because the percentage is growing, and I'm really excited about that. People are wanting to make sure they stay tapped in with what's going on. So now we're going to layer this time frame, and we're going to see this support. As we can see, remember, when the price doesn't just shoot right back down like this, it starts to march to the right. We know we're in that consolidation area, right? So let's go down to the 5 minute, and we go down all the way down to the 1. Even if it looks like that, sometimes what you got to do is just 1 second, hit the auto. All right, so that's what it's looking like. But we're going to layer it all the way. These candlesticks will change as the volume picks up and whatnot like that, but we're just checking out this consolidation right here, and we'll go all the way down to the 1 just to do our due diligence. That's the right thing to do. Check out the MACD. Let's zoom out a little bit. We see some buying pressure right there, which is good. And we see the MACD with a nice buy indicator right there. So we'll go back to the 3 minute. It's looking good right here as well. Okay, I like that. We got a solid green candle, meaning there's buying pressure. We got the 5 minute, got the blue line crossing to orange. The candles are not that big. The volume candles are not that big. So I would honestly, and I'll always be honest with you guys on the channel, you can start to load up. This is where actual DCA comes into place, if you're looking for this area right down here, or you can just wait for that actual area and do exactly what that article was talking about, where you're going to trade this range. Basically, you can trade this and potentially it could break out, right? And when it gets to this top right here, you can take 50% of your profits that you are going to make when you buy in at this price right here. It's going to rock back up. You can take 50% and see if it's going to break into these other zones that we were just in not too long ago. Potentially some hype can come. Maybe we share this video more and get the word out there. Or you just take and remove your whole position and keep your little holding StackG bag on the side, but your trading StackG bag. Did I just tell that? What? Yeah, that's the way to play it, right? Have your moon bag of StackG and your trading bag of StackG, and it's a good way to practice, right? But you can either sell 50% of it right here, creating that volume and waiting for it to come back down, or just hold all of it and let it ride all the way back to where it was at, or just sell all of it and wait to see if it comes back down and see how many times you could range trade this. Let me know down in the comments. Are you guys range trading? Are you guys experimenting with this possibility, this chance that we have within the StackG smart contract that we have? We actually got really close to going to these all-time highs. We'll mark that at about 20 cents. I'm gonna let everybody know, $73,000 market cap, the team that's behind it, the community that's behind us, it's gonna break all-time highs. So, you know, while you're trading, having fun, make sure you have your moon bag of StackG, because it is going to break those all-time highs. So if you're wondering or looking for something that is at a cheaper price, at a discount, and you want to see a goal where it's going to attack all-time highs, StackG is that token for sure. I want you guys to smash the like button, subscribe. You guys know the deal. And if you guys can't do that, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.